welcome. Today we offer at another Hillcast webcast auction sale by the order of the owners, assets of Smart Parts. Smart Parts here in Loyal, Hannah, Pennsylvania. All items are being sold in accordance with the terms and conditions of sale to the highest bidder for cash. Terms and conditions are posted and in each of your buyer's guides. You will all have received a buyer's guide and a bidder number when you registered. You will need one of those to participate in the auction sale. I will go through some of the main announcements, and if there are any questions at any point in time throughout the day, we ask that you ask the questions before we sell each lot. So if you have a question, we're very, very happy to assist you in answering your questions. So if anything arises, you have a question about a machine or how we're selling something, please feel free to ask us. We only ask that you ask the question before we offer the lot. Once we say sold, UCC law, it's a done deal. Nothing we can do about it. So if you have a question, please ask us the question before we put it on the block. We do group lots. We do subdivide lots. We will be offering machines like the FMSs. We're going to offer them in bulk, then piecemeal, and you need to understand how we're doing it. So when we get to those items, please, if you have any questions whatsoever, raise your hand, get our attention. We will make sure you understand what we are doing before we sell it. And if you are not satisfied with your answer, you keep asking me the question until you get an answer you understand. No problem. All right, folks. Well, let's go to work. On lot number one, you have a mobile garden hose with a hose reel. How about a $10? Get your panels out so I can see them, and we'll move along as quickly as we can. You're here, $5 bid to start. $5 bid on the hose. You're bidding at $5 bid, $11 bid, $5 bid, not a bid, $5 again, not a bid, $7.50, $11, not a bid, $7.5, not a bid, $5 again, not a bid, $7.50, gentlemen, $11, not a bid, $7.5. 5 bids, $7.50, not a bid, $7.5. Sold it for $5. Your buyer number, please. I didn't see it. 216. Thank you. Lot number 2 on your pedestal fan. We have 1, 2, 3 of those. Let's put them up. We'll make it one money for the lot of pedestal fans, one money for the lot. I'll take a $50 bid to start. $50 bid is one money for the lot. 50 bids, 60 now. 60 if you're bidding at $60, not a bid, 60. 50 bid, not a bid, $60, not a bid, 60 bid. 70 now. $70, not a bid, 70 fellows, not a bid, 70. You got 60 here, 70 now. $70, not a bid, 70 bid. 80 to use, not a bid, 80 if you're bidding at $90, not a bid, 90. $90, not a bid, $90, not a make it 100. $100, not a bid, 110. 110 to use, or 110, not a bid, 110 fellows, not a bid, 120. 120 now. 120 bid. 130 to use, or 130 bid, not a bid, 140. If you're bidding at 140, 130 bid, 140. Anybody else at $140? You bought them, sir, for $130, and your buyer number is 212. Thank you. Lot number 5, assorted garbage cans, brooms, mops, buckets, etc. You can really clean up with this lot, huh? Oh, boy. Bad humor early in the morning. $25 bid to start. $25 bid to start. I'm off. You're bidding at $25 bid. Not a bid at $10 bid to start the lot. $10 bid if not a bid at $15 bid. Not a bid at $15 bid. Not a bid at 15 bid. 20 bid. $25 bid. Not a bid at 30. If you're bidding at $30, not a bid at 35. $35 gentlemen. Not a bid at 35. Not a bid at 35. 30 bid. 35. Not a bid at 35. Let's call 35. 40 now. 40 if you're bidding at 45. Not a bid at 45. Not a bid at 45. You bought it at $40. Buyer number 208. Number 6 on your Rubbermaid rolling toolbox. Nice. Rubbermaid toolbox. $25 bid to start it. 25.50. All right, start it over again. I got 25 here. $50 bid. Not a bid to get 50, folks. Not a bid to get $50. Not a bid to get 25 again. Not a bid to get $50. Not a bid to get 50. Thank you. Now 75. Not a bid to get 75. Make it 100. $100 bid. Not a bid to get $100 bid. Not a bid to get 100. Anybody else at $100 bid? Not a bid to get 100. Got 75. Make it 100. $100 bid. Not a bid to get $100 bid. Not a bid to get 100. Last call at $100. 75 bid once. 75 bid twice. Sold it, and your buyer number is 179. Thank you very much. Lot number 7 on your assorted small plastic storage unit. Good. Put them up. One money again. 3 lots. 13, 14, 15. And a $10 bid to start. $10 bid, I've got $15 bid, not a bid to get $15, not a bid to get $10, $15 bid, not a bid to get 15, 10, 15, thank you. Now $20, not a bid to get 25, in the back, not a bid to get 25, anybody else at 25, not 25, I got $30, not a bid to get 35, not a bid to get 35, 35 now, 35, you're bidding at 35, and now 40 to use, not a bid to get 45, not a bid to get 40, 45, anybody else at $45, yes, and anybody else at 45, sold it, and your buyer number 193. Thank you, gentlemen. On number 16 on your combo sander. How about a 25 a little bit to start? 25 a little bit to start them off. You're bidding at 25. I got 35 and a middle, and a bit of 35. I got 25 and a bit, and a bit of 35 and a middle, and a bit of 35. 25 or 35 and a middle, and a bit of 35. Folks, and a bit of 35 and a middle, and a bit of 35. Sold it cheap. $25 in your buyer number 216. Number 17, you got your combo belt disc sander. And they 25 a little bit to start. 25 looks like a 1-inch. Can hear 5 inch. 25 a little bit. It's a 1 and a 5 inch. 25 a little bit to start. 25 folks. Not able to get 25. I got $10 bid. $11 bid. $15 bid. Not able to get $20 bid. $11 not able to get 20. 15 here. 20 bid. 25 and now 30. $30 not able to get 30 bid. 35 and not able to get 35 and not able to get 35. Sold it for $30 and back to 234. Number 18 on your Grizzly double end bench grinder. You know what? Put up 18 and 19 together. You get the two grinders, one money for the pair. $10 bid to start the pair. $10 bid, $15. Are you bidding at $15? Not bidding at 15. 10 over here. Not bidding at 15. Not bidding at 15. Any more than 10 for the pair. 15. Nobody likes grinders around here, huh? 10 bid, 15. If you're bidding at 15, you bought it for $10. And your buyer number 216. On number 20, too late. Does Bill have a question? Lot number 20 on your tapping machine with your collets, little hand tapper with the collets. How about a 25 a little bit to start? 25 a little bit on the little hand tapper. 25 I got, 35 I got, 45 and a bit on the not a bit of 55. If you're bidding at 55, gentlemen, not a bit of 55, 45, 55. 55 and a bit on not a bit of 45 is yours. 55 now. 55 and a bit on not a bit of 55. Folks, not a bit of 55, 45, 55. Last call at $55. You bought it at $45, and your number, please, is 221. Thank you. On number 21 on your Fanuc servo motors and the drive. How about a... no, I don't. I did. Thanks. Yeah, thanks. On number 21 on your Fanuc drive. Take a $100 bid to start. Get here $100 bid to start the Fanuc drive. $100 bid to start off. You're bidding at $100 bid. Not bidding $100 bid. Not bidding $50 bid. Not bidding $50. Not bidding $25. 25. I got 35. Not bidding $35. 25 at 35. 25. I got 35. Not bidding $35. Not bidding $35. Not bidding $35. You bought it for $25, and your buyer number, please, 235. On number 22 on your symbol. 35, I got 45 here. 45, you're bidding at 55, and I'm bidding at 55, and 65, and I'm bidding at 65, gentlemen, I'm bidding at 75, 75, 65, 75, and I'm bidding at 75, 65, 75 in a web, 85 to you, sir, 85 bid, 95 in a web, 105 to you, sir, 105, and now 150 in the web, now I'm bidding 100 a quarter, open bill for me, 100 a quarter to you, sir, 100 a quarter bid, bill, you're bidding 135.
No.
What?
No.
100 a quarters in the room, 135, 135, everybody else at 135. Sold them $125, and the buyer number, please. 208, thank you. Lot number 25, your black granite surface plate. And they'll take a $10 bid to start. $10 bid to start it off. You're bidding a $10 bid, not bidding a $10 bid, not bidding a $5 bid. I got $7.50. I got $10 bid, not bidding a 10 bid, 12 and a half, not bidding a $12.50, $15, not bidding a 15, 17 and a half. You're bidding in the middle, not bidding a 17.50, 15 bid, 17.50, 17.50. Are you bidding 17.50? $20 bid to you, sir. 20 bid, 22 and a half, 25. I got not bidding a 27 and a half, gentlemen, not bidding a 27 and a half, 27.50 here, $30, not bidding a 30 bid, 32.50, 35 now, 35. You're bidding a 35 in the back, not bidding a 35, not bidding a middle, not bidding a 32.50 is your bid. I have you. 35, 35, 35, 35 on the web. 37.50, 37.50, 40. Open bill at 40, 40 bid 42.50, 45 to you, Bill.
Yes.
Thank you. 47.50, 50 to you, Bill.
Yes.
52.50, 52 and a half, and everybody else at 52 and a half. Last call at 52.50. Bill, I have you at 50. I'll take 52.50. Last call. Bill, you bought it for $50, and your buyer number is 1034. Thank you, Bill.
Okay.
Okay, line number 26, you have a Crown Fault Finder Inspection Kit. How about a $10 bid to start? Can you hear $10 bid to start it? You're bidding at $10. 29. Show me 29. On the light, on the microscope light. How about a $10 bid to start? $10 bid to start off. Maybe John wants this. 10 is bid. 15 now. $15 bid. I'm bidding at 15. Anybody else at 15? 15. Now you're bidding at 15. 10 here. $15 bid. I'm bidding at 15. John, star one to get in. 15. I have 10 in the room. $15 bid. I'm bidding at 15. Last call. You bought it for $10. Buyer number 235. 30 on your Gardner, on your heat press, on the Geo Night heat press, 30 by 40. But a $200 bid to start. Get here, $200 bid to start. $200 bid to start them off on the mounting press. Not a $100 bid, $100 bid, not a $50 bid, 75. 50 bid, 75. Anybody else? 75, 50 bid, 75. Any more than 50. I'll take 75. Not a bid, 75. Not a bid, 75, 50, 75. Last call, folks, at 75. You bought it for $50. The buyer number is 200. Lot number is 31 on your Aero tapping machine with a flex arm. Nice. There's a little Aero flex tapper. How about a $1,000 bid? Get here, $1,000 bid to start the tapper off. You're bidding $1,000 bid. Not bidding a 500. 500 on the middle. Not bidding a 500. Anybody bidding a 500 on the middle. Not bidding a 5. Anybody bidding a 2 on the middle. Not bidding a 100 again. Not bidding a 100 and a half. 100 and a half in the Aero tapper. Not bidding 150 guys. Not bidding a 100 and a half. You're bidding a 150. 100 bid. 100 and a half. Not bidding a 150 guys. Not bidding a 1 and a half again. Not bidding a 2. 200 on the middle. Not bidding a 200 on the middle. Not bidding a 2. Anybody else at 200. 150 here. 200. All of them. Not bidding a 2. 2 and a half. 2 and a half. Not bidding a 3. 3 on the middle. Not bidding a 3. Cheap. 300 on the middle. Not bidding a 250 here, but 300 on the middle. Not bidding a 3. Anybody else at $300? Last call. You bought it at $250. Any buyer numbers? 223. Lot number 32. And how much can you hear to start? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can go through lot number 37 with the buyer's choice and privilege. You may choose any or all if you're the highest bidder. I'll take a $100 bid apiece to start. $100 bid apiece to start them off. You're bidding at $100 bid, not bidding $100 bid, not bidding $100 bid, not bidding a $50 bid, not bidding a 50. $50, not bidding a 50 on the bid, not bidding a 50. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to put up lot numbers 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Make it a lot. It's 5 lots, 1 money. 5 lots, 1 money. All of the air cleaners. And I'll take a $200 bid to start. $200 bid to start them off. You're bidding a 2, and then bidding a $100 bid on the web. Not bidding a 100 and a half, and not bidding a 150. You got 200 mil, not bidding a 2. 200 mil, not bidding a 2. 100 mil, not bidding a 200. 200, I got 2 and a half. 2 and a half, and not bidding a 250. Because not bidding a 2 and a half, and not bidding a 250. 200 bid, 2 and a half, and not bidding a 250. Because not bidding a 2 and a half. Anybody else at $250? Not bidding a 2 and a half. You bought it for $200. The buyer number 216, correct? Thank you very much. Lot number 39 on your square D 15 kVA transformer. On the 15 kVA, how about a $200 bid to start? Started off. $1,000 bid, start them off. You're bidding a $1,000 bid, not bidding a $1,000 bid, not bidding a $1,000 bid, not bidding a 500. 500 again, not bidding a 750, guys, not bidding a 7 and a half. I get 500 bid now, $750,000 bid, not bidding a 12 and a half, 12 and a half, not bidding a 50 on the web, not bidding a 1750, guys, not bidding a $2,000 bid, now 22 and a half, 2250, not bidding a 25 bid, not bidding a 27 and a half, 2750, gentlemen, not bidding a $3,000 bid, not bidding a 32 and a half, 3250, not bidding a 32 and a half, not bidding a 3,000 here, 32 and a half, 3250. 1 money for the 3 lots. 3250, 3500, 3750, 3750, 37 and a half, 35 at 3750. Guys, not bidding at 37 and a half, 3750. Yes or no? 37 and a half. Are you bidding on not bidding at 37 and a half? Yes or no? 3750. You bought them at $3,500 for the lot, and your buyer number is 235. Thank you. Now we're back on the Cat 40 tool holders. We can go through lot number 167. With the buyer's choice and privilege, you're bidding on them in multiples of 10 in each lot. So each lot is 1 price. 1 price for each lot of 10. Okay? So lot numbers 145 through 167, buyer's choice and privilege, that's 23 lots or 230 pieces. What can I hear to start them off? Buy each lot of 10. Can I hear a $500 bid a piece to start off each lot? Buyer's choice. Choose the ones you want. 500. That's $50 each piece. Get here a $500 bid a piece. $500 bid a piece to start them off. You're bidding at $500, not bidding at 3, not bidding at 3. Anybody bidding a $100 bid to start them off. You're bidding at $100, not bidding 100 again, not bidding 100 a quarter, 100 a quarter, not bidding 100 a quarter, not bidding 125, 100 again, 100 a quarter bid, 100 and a half, 150, 175, 175, gentlemen, not bidding at John. Start when I get in 175, 2, 200 again, 2 and a quarter, no, not bidding at 2 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter, not bidding at 2 and a half, not bidding at 250, 275, 275, gentlemen, not bidding at 275, but you're bidding at 275, 275 at 3, 3 again, not bidding at 3 and a quarter, not bidding at 3 and a half, not bidding at 350, 350, 375, 375, fellas, 375, I get 400 lamella, not bidding at 400. Take them all if you want it for 400 lamella, not bidding at 400 lamella, not bidding at 400, guys, 400 again, 4 and a quarter, 4 and a quarter, 4 and a quarter each lot, not bidding at 4 and a quarter lamella, not bidding at 4 and a quarter, 4 and a do you want them all? Yes? All of them? Do not want one? So you want through 166? You got it. Okay, that takes us to lot number 167. 167, thanks. 167 is a lot of 10 cat-style tool holders on its own. And fellas, you want to go $100 bid to start? 100 and a quarter, fellas. 100 and a quarter, limit, not a bidding, 100 and a quarter, limit, I got 100 bid, 100 and a quarter, limit, not a bidding, 100 and a quarter, limit, not a bidding, 100 and a quarter, 100 again, not a bidding, 100 and a quarter to use her, 100 and a quarter, one lot of 10, 100 and a quarter, I got 100 bid, not a bidding, 100 and a quarter, her, 100 and a quarter. Yes or no? You bought it for $100 and your buyer number is, you don't want them? You want them? You want them? Lot number 167. You don't want it? I'll put it up again. I don't mind. That's okay. I'll take 50 to start. $50 bid to start. Lot number 67. I'll take $50 bid. Anybody get 50? Anybody get 50? Anybody get 50? Anybody get 25? But I'm going to give it to you, no charge. Okay, lot number 168 is the heat shrink style. And we can go through lot number 171, which will be 4 lots or a total of 40 pieces on the heat shrink. And it's per each lot. $200 bid per each lot. $200 bid to start them off. You're bidding at 2 and not a bidding at 2 and not a bidding at 100 bid, not a bidding 100 a quarter. 100 a quarter bid, not a bidding 100 a quarter, guys, not a bidding 100 a quarter, but 100 and a half, 150, 150, 175, 175, 2, 2 and not a bidding at 2 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter, but 2 and a half, and not a bidding at 250, not a bidding at 2 and a half, 2 and a quarter, 2 and a half, 275, 275 at 3, 3 and not a bidding at 3, not a bidding at 3 and a quarter, 3 and a half, and not a bidding at 350, not a bidding at 3 and a half, 3 and a half, 375, 375, 400, not a bidding at 4, not a bidding at 4 and a quarter, 4 and a quarter, not a bidding at 4 and a quarter, if you're bidding at 4 and a half, and not a bidding at 450, 475, 475, you know, not a bidding at 475 at 5, and not a bidding at 5 and a quarter, 5 and a quarter, not a bidding at 5 and a quarter, not a bidding at 5 and a quarter, not a bidding at 525, and not a bidding at 5 and a quarter, you're bidding at 5 and a quarter, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a half, 5 and a half, and not a bidding at 550, 575, 575, 575, and not a bidding at 575, and not a bidding at 575. I have 550 bid 575. Do you want them all at $550? There's 4 lots. $168 only, and your buyer number? 187. Do you want the balance, gentlemen? You guys want the rest? No? I'm going to put them up then. Next buyer takes the next 3 lots. You must take all 3. It's 3 times the money. 169, 170, 171. And you must take all 3. 200 bid to start. Cheap. 200, but not able to get 200, not able to get 2 and a half. Thank you. Not able to get 2 and a half. But not able to get 250. Bid 300 again. Not able to get 3 and a half. 3 and a half. But not able to get 350. Not able to get 375. But not able to get 350 here. 375. But not able to get 375. But not able to get 350. 375. 375 to 350 here. But not able to get 375. Cheap. 375. 375. 350. 375. But not able to get 375. But everybody else at 375. 375. You paid 550. 375. 400. 400. 400, 4 and a quarter. God, you guys are making me work. 400 a quarter, but 4 and a half. 450, 450, 4 and a half. Each. All 3 each. 450, guys. 4 and a half. What's 450 times 3? 450? 450? He's saying yes. I'm looking at him, not you. 450. 475? 475? 475, you're bidding at 475, and not bidding at 475, 450 bid, 475, 475, and not bidding at 475, is not bidding at 475, 500, 500, 500, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a quarter, not bidding at 525, you're bidding at 5 and a half, not bidding at 550, guys, not bidding at 5 and a half, and not bidding at 5 and a half. Guys, teach her a lesson. You bought it 5 and a quarter. It worked for you this time. 187. Thanks, all of you. Round number 172. We can go through 184. Multiples of 10. There's 13 lots. There's 126 pieces in total. The total holders 185 through 190. Through 190. Buyer's choice and privilege. Choose the ones you want. Starting with lot number 185 through including lot number 190. Oh, bottom of it, 200 limit to start, 50 bid, 75. Anybody else at 75 making 100. 100 out limit, out of 100 again, out of 100 quarter, I got 100, I got 175, out of 175, 175 at 200 limit, out of 2 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter limit, out of 2 and a half, 250, 275, 275 at 300 limit, out of 3 and a quarter, 3 and a quarter limit, out of 3 and a quarter, out of 3 and a half, out of 350, 350 limit, out of 3 and a quarter, 3 and a half, out of 350, 350 limit, out of 3 and a half, choose the ones you want, 3 and a half, out of 350, 375, 375, out of 375, you're getting a 375, 375, 375, 350 here, 375, 375, 400, now 400, now 400, now 400, I'm not going to go forward. Anybody else at 400, 375 at 4? You bought them for $375, and which ones would you like? 185, and your buyer number again is 187? 187, is that the only one you want? Okay, gentlemen, your choice. She took 185. There's 86 through 90 remaining. Nope. Okay, let's do it again. Lot numbers are 186 through and including lot number 190, buyer's choice and privilege. And I'll take 100 again, 100 a quarter, 100 and a half, 150, 175, 175 fellas, now to 175 to you gentlemen, now to 175 at 2, 2 I get 2 and a quarter, now to get 2 and a half, now to get 250, 250 at 275, now to get 275, now to get 3, 3 and now to get 3, now to get 300, now to get 3, now to get 3 and a quarter here, now to get 3 and a quarter, 3 and a half, now to get 350, 350 gentlemen, now to get 3 and a half, now to get 350, 375, 375, 375, anybody else at 375, anybody else at 375? You bought them for $350, and your buyer number, please. 210, which ones would you like, fellas? 189 and 190, you got them. 350 each. Okay, now we are in lot numbers. We have 186, 187, 188. One last time, buyer's choice and privilege. 200, 2 and a quarter. Where did she go? 200, 2 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter, fellas. Not able to get 2 and a quarter. Not able to get 2 and a quarter. Not able to get 2 and a quarter. 200 bid, 2 and a quarter. Not able to get 2 and a quarter. Not able to get 2 and a quarter. Sold them. 200. You want them all? Yeah, you want them all? Take them all. $200 a piece. And your buyer number, fellas, is 221. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, that takes us to lot number 191. Sorted radius cutters, dovetail cutters, miscellaneous tooling. As a lot, 25 a little bit to start. 25 a little bit to start them off. You're bidding at 25. I'd have been element. I'd have been get 25 again. I'd have been get 50 element. I'd have been get 50 fellas. I'd have been get 50, 75. I'd have been now making 75, 100. 100 again. 100 a quarter. Element. I'd have been get 100 a quarter. Element. I'd have been get 100 a quarter. 100 and a half. 150 guys. I'd have been get 1 and a half. 175. I'd have been now bidding 175. Oh, you're bidding 175. Now I'd have been get 2. Element. I'd have been get 2. If you're bidding at 2, element. I'd have been get 2 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter now. I'd have been get 2 and a half. I'd have been now get 250 guys. I'd have been get 275. 275. I'd have been now get 275. I'd have been now get 3. Element. I'd have been get 3. 300 in the middle. 275. Get 3 and element out of get 300. Lions call 3 275 at 3. You bought it for $275, gentlemen. Buyer number out of get 2 element out of get 100 element out of get 100 element out of get 100 on the Kurt Vices 100 again 100 a quarter 125 element out of get 100 a quarter element out of get 100 a quarter element out of get 100 again 100 a quarter on the Kurt Vices out of get 100 a quarter. They were bringing $750 a couple weeks ago. 100 again, 100 a quarter, 11 out of it, 100 a quarter, bidding 11 out of it, 100 a quarter, web, out of it, 100 and a half, out of it, 150, guys, now 175, 175, out of it, now 175, out of it, get 2, 2, out of it, get 2, quarter, out of it, get 2 and a half, out of it, get 250, open up, bill at 2 and a quarter, 2 and a half, out of it, get 250, guys, out of it, get 2 and a half, out of it, get 250, guys, out of it, get 2 and a half, anybody else 250, out of it, get 2 and a half, Bill, you want all three at 2 and a quarter each?
No, I don't want any at 2 and a quarter.
You didn't push your pound key.
I only bid when it was 125.
I know. You pushed your star one and then you left it up. You didn't push your pound key. Right?
I'm sorry.
That's okay. To get out, you got to push your pound key. Otherwise, you're bidding. So 100 a quarter, 100 and a half, 150. Guys, not everybody 100 and a half, not everybody 150. Was it Dale who was bidding on the web? Was it Dale bidding? Bring up Dale if you can. Bill, I have you at 100 a quarter, 100 and a half, 150. Guys, not everybody go 1 and a half. Anybody else? Not everybody go 1 and a half. Not everybody go 150. Guys, 150, 175. Bill, do you want to go 175?
For which ones? All of them or one of them?
They're each. You can choose the ones you want.
I'll go 175.
175 is yours. 200, 200, 200. No, 200 on the middle. I'm not going to get two guys. Not going to get two. Bill, you want all three at 175 each?
No, just number 194.
You got it. And your number is 1034. Would you like the other two? And the price is 175. You got them. And your number, please, is 202. Thank you. Okay, now we have a Colombian 5.5-inch. Let me see, 197 on your bench price, guys. Swivel-based bench price. How about a 25 a little bit to start? 25, I got 35 in the middle, and I'm going to get 35 in the middle, I'm going to get 25, I got 35 in the middle, and I'm going to get 35 in the middle, I'm going to get 25.